Welcome to Review Rumble. The best spice blender is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, transforming whole spices into fragrant powders and creating custom blends that elevate any dish. Imagine freshly ground cinnamon for your morning oatmeal, vibrant turmeric for a golden curry, or a unique garam masala mix tailored precisely to your taste, all achievable with the right spice blender. This compact powerhouse unlocks a world of flavor, allowing you to experiment with exotic spices and unlock their full aromatic potential, making your culinary adventures more exciting and delicious than ever before. Number 5. PowerLix Black Handheld Milk Frother with Stand. Love your coffee with extra froth and foam? This handheld frother is perfect for creating that cafe-style cappuccino right at home. It even comes with a stand for easy countertop storage. Enjoy perfect froth without the hassle of cords. Simply heat your milk, immerse the wand, and turn it on. You'll have creamy froth in just 15 to 20 seconds. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this frother boasts a powerful motor for double the performance of other models. Its durable whisk won't rust or break, ensuring long-lasting use. Designed to complement any kitchen, its stylish black finish and ergonomic handle make it a pleasure to use. It's also easy to clean and can froth more than just milk, perfect for milkshakes and cocktails. We're confident you'll love it, which is why it comes with a lifetime warranty and US-based customer support. Order now and start enjoying delicious, homemade foamy drinks. What we like? If you love frothy coffee and need a quick solution, this is for you. It's battery-operated and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go or small kitchens. Enjoy creamy froth in seconds without the hassle of cords. What people say. This handheld frother does a nice job mixing coffee and creamer. It's simple to use, works quickly, and is convenient to keep on the counter with the stand. The motor is powerful, it froths milk quickly, and the foam comes out nice and creamy every single time. Battery life is solid, and the stand makes it easy to store on the counter. It is easy to clean and use. If you keep it in the cup, there is no spillage and it froths well if you bring it up more towards the top. Number 4. 1100W Corded Immersion Blender Set. Tired of lumpy textures? This powerful 1100W motor delivers significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities, creating velvety smooth results in just seconds. Effortlessly control your recipes with the easy-to-use variable speed trigger. Adjust from low to high speed with just one touch for perfect pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping. Blend with confidence thanks to the scratch-free nylon blade guard. It minimizes suction and prevents splashes, keeping your pots and pans safe and your kitchen clean. Enjoy a comfortable and secure grip with its stylish, ergonomic design. It's perfect for long blending sessions and makes a thoughtful gift for any food lover. Switch between multiple attachments with a single click for swift cleaning. It's UL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability and peace of mind. Blend hot ingredients safely with reinforced, food-grade blades. The breaker and chopper are also BPA-free, ensuring safe use for all your culinary creations. What we like? For those who want versatility and power in one device, this is an excellent choice. Its 1100W motor and variable speed control handle everything from soups to smoothies with ease. If you're looking for a true kitchen workhorse that can do it all, this immersion blender is it. What people say. It's powerful, easy to clean, and the attachments, especially the frother and whisk, replace multiple bulky appliances in my kitchen. It's powerful enough to smoothly blend soups, sauces, smoothies, and even dressings without any chunks left behind. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable in my hand, and it's light and easy to maneuver, making blending tasks much quicker than using a traditional blender. The chopper works great for onions and nuts, and the whisk is perfect for egg whites or whipping cream. I really like the variable speed trigger because it gives better control. Number 3. COSORI Electric Grinder, Black. Experience lightning-fast grinding with its powerful motor and stainless steel blades. Achieve your desired coarseness in just seconds, from coarse to fine. Enjoy the rich aroma and taste of freshly ground beans every morning. It transforms whole beans into a smooth blend in moments, for a perfect cup with less waiting. This versatile grinder is perfect for more than just coffee. Its sharp, high-quality stainless steel blades, especially the 4-blade bowl, efficiently crush larger and harder ingredients. Your safety is paramount. This grinder features a safety lock mechanism, ensuring it will not operate unless the lid is securely in place. Built to last, its motor is crafted with copper wires for enhanced durability. It also includes overheat protection and automatically shuts off if it reaches a certain temperature. What we like. If you frequently grind spices, herbs, or coffee beans, this grinder is a great option. It offers quick and efficient grinding with dual bowls for versatility and safety features like a lock and overheat protection. Enjoy fresh ingredients in seconds with this reliable appliance. What people say. All stainless steel grinding bowls and perfect for spices, coffee, oat or barley flour as well as for wet grinding masalas and marinades. It works great for a fresh ground coffee every morning. I also love how it can be taken apart and comes with a lid for storing the coffee you grind with the secondary lid. The COSORI model is much quieter while operating. It doesn't wake up my family when I grind my coffee beans. This better COSORI model eliminated that problem, because the grinding basket remains upright as you twist and remove the cup, making it simple to carry to the filter without any mess. Number 2. Cool Night Electric Herb Grinder. Experience rapid grinding of herbs and spices. It can process up to 120 G in just 5 to 10 seconds, saving you valuable time. This grinder is perfect for a variety of needs, from herbs and spices to coffee beans. It efficiently handles coarse, medium, and fine grinds, solving common grinding frustrations. Operating it is incredibly easy with a single push-down button. The lid acts as the switch, making it safe and intuitive to use. It features a sharp 304 stainless steel blade designed for 360-degree grinding. The powerful copper wire motor ensures it runs at a high speed for quick results. Cleaning is a breeze with the included brush. Plus, the detachable power cord makes storage simple and space-saving. Safety is paramount. It includes automatic power-off protection for short circuits, overheating, or if the lid is not properly secured, ensuring peace of mind during use. What we like. This grinder is ideal for those who need to process larger quantities of herbs or spices quickly. Its large capacity and high-speed motor mean less time grinding and more time enjoying your culinary creations. If you value efficiency and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. Its high-speed 30,000 revolutions per minute motor makes incredibly quick work of tough ingredients, processing up to 120 G in just 5 to 10 seconds. The adjustable coarseness is a standout feature. A quick press gives you a coarse grind, while holding it longer creates a fine powder, all controlled easily with one hand. It is extremely easy to use and produces a nice powder for any spice or chili pepper I have thrown in it, and has a large enough capacity to fit more than enough to grind what I need in a single run. Number 1. Gustus Vitae Taste of Tuscany Seasoning. Experience the authentic flavors of Tuscany with our artisanal seasoning blend. It's a gourmet mix crafted with care, perfect for elevating your everyday meals. Enjoy pure, natural taste without the salt. This blend is made with all-natural, non-GMO ingredients, ensuring a wholesome addition to your pantry. Each batch is handmade in the USA, ensuring the highest quality and unique flavor profile. You can taste the dedication in every sprinkle. Our seasoning is designed to be GLP-1 friendly, making it a delicious and conscious choice for your dietary needs. Savor the flavor responsibly. Conveniently store your seasoning with our magnetic tin. It keeps your spices fresh and easily accessible, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. This is more than just a seasoning, it's a gourmet experience. Unlock a world of flavor that transports you straight to the heart of Italy. What we like. For the health-conscious cook or anyone seeking authentic Italian flavors without the salt, this spice blend is perfect. Its all-natural, non-GMO ingredients are handmade in small batches for superior taste. If you're looking for a gourmet seasoning that enhances dishes while fitting a healthy lifestyle, this is your go-to. What people say. It's not only good for dipping bread in olive oil, but also seasons anything else you need to season. What a wonderful flavor, excellent for roasted veggies, breakfast potatoes, and assorted meats. True Italian flavor. Quality. Not like store-bought that all taste okay but all taste same. Not this one. Delectable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.